First of all, I heard a terrible, terrible explosion of unbelievable power. Then I jumped. I didn't know where to go. Panic kicked in. I ran outside. My windows are both towards the yard and Vasilkivska Street. I ran outside, cars everywhere, sirens. I mean, all car alarms started ringing. You know, there was no smoke, no smell, nothing. I didn't know what was going on. It was all in 5 minutes, enough for me to freak out. Then I opened the doors. 5 minutes had passed. People with bags and children in their hands were here.